Hi, and welcome to this Office 365 training video. This video provides information about how to use the Help Center. The Help Center provides access to a number of separate help sites. You can access all of the available help sites and an FAQ site from the top menu of the Help Center. At the time this video was made, there were only a few help sites available, but more sites will be added in the coming months. The Help Center landing page displays a welcome message with some simple instructions. There are a few short videos explaining how to use the Help Center, help sites, and the FAQ site. This is the video you are watching at the moment. It's probably worth having a look at these other two videos to make sure you get the most out of the Help Center and all of the help sites. The Help Center landing page also displays a list of the most popular frequently asked questions from the FAQ site. You can access all of the available help sites and the FAQ site from the top menu of the Help Center. To access any of the available help sites, just click on the site you want on the top menu. For example, let's click on Leave Requests. This will take us to the Leave Request help site. Each help site provides you with the following information: a list of any available help documents, a selection of help videos, a section containing useful links to other web pages or applications, and a list of frequently asked questions relevant to the site's help topic. The top menu is always available, so you can easily access all help sites from anywhere in the Help Center. If you click on Home on the top menu, it will always return you to the Help Center landing page. Please watch the other help videos on this page for more information about using the help sites and the FAQ site. Thank you for watching this video.